Hi, I am Jorge Pacheco. I am the owner and head chef of El Inca Plebeyo, Ecuadorian restaurant in North London. When I think about Ecuador, I always think about the flavors like the coffee or the corn that is cooked and made in a different ways. And today I'm going to show you something special, how to make the best ceviche. We start with the fish stock. Very important to have fresh fish bones, onion, celery, garlic, coriander stalks, black peppercorn, and water. You don't have to boil it for too long, maximum 1-2 minutes. The stock come up to the boil. I put it down the heat for 30 seconds and then I leave it for another 2 minutes. Let it infuse all the flavors of the vegetables and the fish bones, and pass it through the chinois and let it cool down. It's very clear fish stock. You don't want to have like very dark. The ingredients for the tiger's milk: we have half a red onion, 1 celery stick, 4 limes, 1 tomato, 30 grams of ginger, a half liter of fish stock, salt and pepper. Fish stock, finish with salt, pepper. Now we blend it. We're going to cook the prawns. These are very small, so you have to boil it like for 1 minute only. Don't over boil it because it's gonna become too chewy. I have 100 grams of prawns. That'll be enough for one, for me, for one. 1 minute and ready. I'm going to plate the ceviche. So for the prawns, we put the tiger's milk, tomato, onion, and of course coriander. Guys, this is El Inca Plebeyo prawn ceviche, the Ecuadorian way.